Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can disable jumping in Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your level editor, and from here we are going to add a trigger called player control. So it's going to be on this specific spot. Click on player control and then you can place it wherever you want to. In my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. Now you just want to click on the edit objects option and you want to make sure to select player 1 or player 2, or you can select both. And then inside this page, we then have the stop jump option. Now you can also add another functionality like stop move, but in my case, I'm just going to add the stop jump and the stop move. From here, click on the touch trigger, click on OK, and basically if we play out the level right here, it will then immediately stop my player from jumping. So once again, as you can see, if I click on my space bar right here, let's just move this a little bit to the left, and then if I hold my space bar, it will then stop jumping as soon as it touches the trigger. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.